Tired of waiting in long lines to pay your property taxes? What if we told you that you could settle it all from the comfort of your home? Stay tuned to discover how. Hello everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are taking a notoriously frustrating chore and turning it into an absolute breeze. We're zeroing in on how to navigate the online property tax payment process specifically for residents of Ingham County, Michigan. Look, taxes might not be the most exciting topic in the world, but mastering this digital system is a fantastic way to save yourself a ton of time and, more importantly, avoid those hefty late fees.
Seriously, nobody wants to stand in line at the local treasurer's office, right? Well, the good news is you can securely verify your exact balance, keep perfect digital records for your files, and settle your entire tax bill from the comfort of your couch. We're going to uncover exactly how to do just that, step by step. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. Number 1, the property tax timeline. Number 2, the big split, figuring out exactly who to pay. Number 3, paying current taxes locally. Number 4, paying delinquent county taxes. And finally, number 5, foreclosure prevention and help.
Section 1, the property tax timeline and key deadlines.
So before you even open a web browser to pay online, you absolutely have to know where you are on the calendar. The date literally dictates the entire process. Here's the standard tax life cycle in Ingham County. Summer taxes are usually due on August 31st or September 14th, depending on your specific local unit. Winter taxes, those are due on February 14th. Now, if you miss that February 14th deadline, local penalties start hitting you immediately. But listen, the most critical date on this entire slide is March 1st. On March 1st, a massive shift occurs in the system. This is known as the delinquency turnover date.
Moving right along to Section 2, the big split, current versus delinquent taxes.
So the crucial point is, well, this is actually the biggest plot twist in Ingham County's property tax system, and it trips up so many people. There is no single central payment portal for everything. The date on the calendar determines exactly which website you must use. If you are paying your current taxes, meaning it is before that March 1st turnover date, you've got to pay your local city or township treasurers using their specific online portal. However, if you miss the deadline and it's after March 1st, your unpaid real property taxes officially become delinquent. At that point, local treasurers can no longer accept your payment. You are required to pay the Ingham County treasurer directly through their completely separate online portal.
Actually, scratch that for just a second. I need to highlight a really vital exception here, especially for the business owners tuning in. Delinquent personal property taxes, which is the taxation on business equipment and inventory, are never turned over to the county. Not ever. They must always be paid to your local township or city, regardless of the date. Mixing up real property, like your house, and personal property, like your business equipment, is a surefire way to get your online payments rejected.
All right, Section 3. Paying current taxes locally.
Let's focus on those of you paying on time before the March 1st deadline. You fall into this category, meaning you need to use your local municipality's portal. Now, because local units choose their own payment processors, the convenience fees vary pretty wildly. Just look at this breakdown. If you use a credit or debit card in the city of Lansing or Meridian Township, you're paying nearly a 3% processing fee. On a large tax bill, that adds up really fast. But take a close look at the e-check or ACH columns. In many municipalities, if you securely link your bank account using your routing and account number, the transaction fee drops to literally $0. So, pro tip, always look for the e-check option to avoid those hefty credit card percentages.
To make this super concrete, we're going to use Meridian Township as our primary visual example to walk through the exact steps of paying local taxes online. Basically, it's a simple 3-step process. First, find your local portal. Second, search for your property on the BSNA database. And third, check out via the third-party processor.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly where to start. On the Meridian Township homepage, you're going to look for a clear Bill Payments button. Clicking that usually routes you straight into the BSNA online database. Once you're in there, you simply use the search bar, select Tax from the drop-down menu, and punch in your street address or parcel number.
Okay, so once you pull up your property record, take a quick moment to verify the details and double-check the amount due for your current taxes. Clicking Pay Now will seamlessly transition you away from BSA and over to the final secure invoice screen. In this case, it's Invoice Cloud. This is where you actually enter your banking details to complete the transaction. And please, as a post-payment best practice, always remember to save or print your final confirmation email or digital receipt for your files. You never know when you might need it for a dispute.
Which brings us to Section 4, paying delinquent county taxes.
So what happens if it's after March 1st and your taxes have been turned over to the county treasurer? Well, the process requires a bit more coordination. Because interest and late penalties are now accruing every single month, that original paper bill sitting on your kitchen counter, yeah, it's completely useless. The amount is wrong. So step 1, you must go to the Ingham County BSNA online portal to look up your live, real-time balance. Step 2, while you're there, make sure to copy down your unique parcel number. You will absolutely need it. Finally, step 3, you will navigate to the county's specific third-party payment gateway, which is called GovPros.
Now, when you are checking out on the GovPros portal, keep these essential troubleshooting tips in your back pocket. First off, GovPros charges their own separate service fee, and just so you know, Ingham County doesn't see a dime of that fee. Second, your payment takes 1 to 2 business days to officially post to the county's ledger, so don't panic if it doesn't show up instantly. Third, and this is huge, while the system does allow you to make partial payments, doing so does not freeze the delinquency process. Penalties will absolutely continue to accrue on whatever remaining balance you have. Also, quick fix here, if you are an international property owner, just enter 00000 for your billing zip code to easily bypass the system's address check. And if you hit a technical glitch or forget a password, you can call GovPro support directly.
Section 5. Foreclosure Prevention and Help.
Listen, if you're watching this and feeling totally overwhelmed by a delinquent balance and stacking penalties, please know that you are not alone and there's real help available. Just read this powerful quote straight from the Ingham County Treasurer's Office. If you are having trouble paying your delinquent taxes, the first thing to do is call us. They genuinely want to help people keep a roof over their heads, but they can only connect you to those resources if you take that first step and reach out. Falling behind happens to so many people every single year. Please, don't let stigma stop you from getting the assistance you need.
Making that one phone call to 517-676-7220 really opens the door to specific, tangible lifelines. The county partners with amazing community organizations for financial literacy and legal services. Depending on your situation, you might even qualify for a summer tax deferment, though you do have to apply before mid-September for that one. The county also has specific policies allowing for interest waivers for low-income individuals receiving the state property tax credit, which gives them time to use their state refund to actually pay their taxes. There are options out there, so please just make the call.
Just a quick professional disclaimer before we wrap things up. This explainer is strictly for informational purposes. Administrative procedures, web addresses, and convenience fees can, and often do, change over time. You should always verify your exact tax standing and current payment instructions directly with your local township or the official Ingham County Treasurer's Office.
So, what does this all mean for you? Well, here's my final question. Have you checked your exact BSNA property tax balance today? If you're carrying a delinquent balance, remember that new interest charges hit on the 1st of every month. Act now. Head to your local portal or the county site and get it settled. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, please share this explainer with your neighbors in Ingham County to spread the word about these online tools. Drop any of your own tips, questions, or experiences in the comments below to help out the community. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.